Hi, I'm Ken Bauer from Richard, Manitoba, and I'm reviewing the Ninja Hot and Cold Blender. We've used it to make smoothies every single day because I've got three little kids that love smoothies. And tonight we're gonna try making tomato soup in it. So I'm gonna get it started with the saute button and see what happens. Let's wait and see. Well, we've made soup now out of it with it, and I was kind of skeptical on how you would make soup or hot things out of a blender, but it was pretty amazing that it was boiling the whole time and it chopped up the onions and it sauteed them, and in the last 45 seconds it blended it all up. And the same thing for the smoothies. It pulses them gently at the beginning and then cuts up all like any of the ice cubes or whatever other frozen things you got in there and just does its own thing. Like the amount of dishes we probably saved by making soup in this blender without having to get a frying pan and cutting everything up and sauteing stuff and then putting it all into a pot and having to stir it the whole time. We just pressed just a single button and it all did it all on its own. So it was pretty amazing.